Okay, so over there is where the wires go up into the kitchen. Then there's where they're cut here, cut there, and then they connect over here, just on the other side of this pillar. So, and there is a furnace down in there, but I'm sure it doesn't work. Lovely. There's where some wires go up into the woodwork, but I have no idea where they go. This is what, 8 feet, maybe 6 feet. So I guess we're going to have to connect that there with over here. So that is probably where the whole trunk line. But then it goes way off over there, but it doesn't seem to be cut. And those wires go to God only knows what, probably coming down out of the box and then going that way. But there are, what, 8 wires cut there, including the big one. So that is what to deal with.